Hey everyone, Ed here for LaserClean. We have another antique car part in today. It's from a 1924 Model A Ford. A louvered hood cover for the engine. A lot of fine details, a lot of old handles and hinges and things. Obviously these things cannot come off for the restoration process. So we're going to laser this, put it through our complete process, get it back to a really nice condition for the customer, ready for paint and going on to the vehicle. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. Hey everyone, Ed here for LaserClean. We're finished the 1924 Model A Ford hood. It turned out beautiful, even better than I thought. We put it through our complete process and it's nice and smooth. All the fine details, the handles, the brackets, the hinges, everything fully restored, ready for paint. I am sure this customer is going to be ecstatic. Stay tuned for more things coming up. Please share and like our videos and most of all, enjoy what you see. Have a great day.